Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Marcus and I make Twitch and streaming tutorial videos. Today is January 29th, 2026, and in this video, we're taking a deep dive into Kick statistics, including active users, growth numbers, engagement trends, and what all this data really means for streamers in 2026. If you're thinking about streaming on Kick or you're already active on the platform, this video will give you a clear, data-driven overview of where Kick stands right now. What is Kick? Kick is a live streaming platform focused on gaming and creator content. It has grown fast compared to traditional platforms. Many creators and streamers are shifting audiences here. Why this matters? Kick is shaping up to be one of the fastest growing streaming communities in 2025-2026. Kick user statistics. Latest. Estimated 100 million plus registered users worldwide, 2025. Massive growth in monthly active users, up an estimated 150% year over year. Daily live streams, 5 million plus globally. Real-time average concurrent viewers, around $650,000 plus, January 2026 data. Last 30-day peak live viewers, 1,272,587. Note, these figures show Kick's expanding footprint in streaming. Growth and engagement content uploads and live streams are surging. Platforms report 75% increase in new content uploads in recent months. Average user session duration, roughly 30-45 minutes per session. Kick's global reach, users from 200 plus countries. A large segment of users, 40% plus, use the platform daily. Insight, engagement matters more than raw numbers, and Kick is performing well here. Who uses Kick? Top demographic stats. 65% of users are between 16 to 34 years old. Large creator base, 20 million plus registered content creators. Average stream duration, 2 hours. 45% of users subscribe to at least one creator. Strong presence in North America and Europe. Interpretation, young, engaged, and global. Ideal for creators. Key milestones and record stats. Worth highlighting. Kick peak concurrent viewers. Set new records in past months. 1.27 M live viewers. Hosting millions of live streams daily keeps the platform vibrant. Younger demographics and global audience growth are key drivers. Conclusion, Kick is more than just another streaming platform. It has momentum. Want to grow your Kick followers or viewers? If you want to grow your Kick followers or viewers quickly and safely, check out Followers Panda and get 15% off with your promo code. Boost your presence and grow faster. And that's it for today's breakdown of Kick statistics for January 2026. If this video helped you understand Kick's growth, active users, and overall potential, make sure to like the video, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.